When we think of fresh veggies growing, we typically think of huge sunny fields loaded with rows of plants brimming with everything from ears of corn to vine-ripe tomatoes, because that's the norm. But a few years ago, I went to a mushroom farm and saw how mushrooms grew. Let me tell you, it was totally the opposite of what we were used to. They grow indoors in what looks like barracks, and rather than sunshine, it was dark, as in really dark. But the one story that stood out to me was the history of Portobello mushrooms. You see, these start out as cremini mushrooms, and if the farmer didn't pick them fast enough, they would grow huge, and then they were considered almost inferior. But when their meaty goodness was discovered, they went from scraps to stardom. Believe it or not, it only took a few days to grow from this to this. And when we saute them, along with some onions and top them off with sliced provolone, just like a steak sandwich, get ready for some good eating. You see, the combo of the meaty mushrooms, the melted cheese, and the toasted French bread makes these irresistible. The recipe for our Portobello steak sandwich is online now, so you can enjoy a fresh produce pick that's grown in the dark. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a different way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.